Hello everybody, thank you for watching this eProctor tutorial. My name is Geir Kulia and I'm an exchange student at Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. Okay. When you go to eProctor.org, a simple login window will appear. Simply type username and password. We have now entered the dashboard. This consists of 3 tabs: Information, Book Exam and Check Results. The Information tab gives you information about what exams you have finished, what exams you are scheduled for, and what courses you have not chosen an examination date for yet. Let's go and choose an examination date. Let's see how that's done. We could also have clicked on the book examination tab to come to this window, and you can come to this from wherever you are on this website. As you can see, we can choose examinations from 2 courses. The reason why we can't choose an examination date for data structure and algorithm is that the due for registration for the exam is passed, and that due is 30 days before the examination. We simply have to wait for a new exam to appear in the database, or a new examination date, or we have to wait for the next semester. Let's choose some random dates for the 2 other courses. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Just click to submit. As you can see, the 2 courses for which we chose now disappeared. The reason why the last course is shown is of course because we haven't chosen an examination date for it yet, even though we can't. If we also choose for everybody, just a small text will show up saying that we have chosen examination dates for all exams. Back at the Information tab, we can now see that we have now booked exam dates for both of the exams as we booked. The last tab we want to take a look at is the check results. The check results display all the courses we are registered for. It displays the grades if available. As you can see, we have a grade for 3 of the courses. 3 courses was taken so recently that the grades that they have not yet been graded, and 1 has been graded but won't be available before the 1st of October. This is a very simple UI to show the grades. Very obvious, straightforward. Yes, the last feature we will talk about is the logout function. This one simply takes you, it logs out, and you come back to the login window. Okay, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. We will now be transferred to my great teammate Henry, that will go through the actual eProctor application and the main features of this project. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Henry, and I will be demonstrating on the Java project eProctor system. So, in the login page, we can key in our username and password to log into the system. Now I will log in as Proctor. After log in as Proctor, we can see in the Proctor windows there are 2 options: Invigilate Exam and Logout. And when I log in as a student, here as Joyce 10, it will display 3 options: Check Device, Take Exam, and Logout. Here, we will start with Check Device. In the Check Device windows, we can click on Start Check to check whether our webcam is working properly. Next, we will proceed to Take Exam. In the examination instruction windows, we have examination instructions. We can start our exam by clicking Next. Here, while we are waiting for the proctor to authenticate, the status will show Not Authenticated. and our face will be displayed through the webcam. In the Proctor windows, we can start Invigilate exam. It will display the exams that are scheduled to the proctor, and we can start invigilation. In the Authenticate Student windows, we can see the student's name, username, photo, webcam image, and we can adjust the size of the images using the scale on the right top side. To authenticate a student, we simply need to click on the red cross below the photo and it will turn into a green check mark. And in the student UI, the status will show as authenticated. And now we can start our examination. Here, in the Proctor site, we can invigilate examination by looking at the student photo, the student image through webcam, and the recording of the student desktop. Also, we can adjust the size of the images by using the scale. Here, in the exam windows, the left side is the question part and the right side is the answer part. You can key in your answer to the right side. And also, you can adjust the size of the question paper by clicking zoom in, zoom out, or fit windows. And if there's any issue you would like to report, you can click on report issue. You will initiate a live chat with the proctor. And the proctor will be notified about the incoming message. The proctor can reply to the student, and the proctor can also choose which student the proctor would like to speak to using the drop-down menu. When a student has finished one question, the student can click on Next question to proceed to the next one. When the student has finished all the questions, the student may submit the answers by clicking Submit, and the student will be taken to the end of examination windows. Now, at the proctor site, the student's webcam image and the desktop recording are no longer available as the student has submitted the answers. At the same time, the proctor may end the examination. After the proctor has ended the examination, the system will upload the relevant files to the server. And when the transfer is completed, the proctor may log out. And so is the student. Thank you for watching.